Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Darul Nabiha, and today I want to presentate my presentation about some interesting facts about Australia. And I hope after you see this presentation, you will get more interest to visit Australia. Okay. If we talk about Australia, uh, Australia wildlife is very unique because uh, the geography and its position was isolated. I can explain it by looking at the map. Okay, you can see here. If we look at the map, Australia is in the bottom of the equator line. So equator line is an imaginary line that divide the Earth into a halves. So the first halves name is Northern Hemisphere, and the second halves is Southern Hemisphere. And Australia is located in the Southern Hemisphere. That means when the Australia is on the summer, another countries that located in the top of the equator will be have the different different season, different season. And then you can see here, Australia got many of beach and also the ocean. So the Australia continent was isolated. This is why the Australia wildlife already if evolved to some unique creatures such as kangaroos and also koalas, and also the land of Australia have many savanna that support them to live, and all of these creatures cannot found in another countries. Kangaroos and wallabies hop across the land. Koalas live peacefully in eucalyptus trees, and platypus defies nature as a mammal that lays eggs over 80% of Australia. Australia is home to some of the most unusual and iconic animals in the world, such as kangaroos, koalas, and the platypus. And then the next slide is about creatures of wonder. So the Australia doesn't indeed for only the unique creatures, but also another creatures that's like wombat's dick, Tasmanian devil, and cactus. And because Australia have many beach and also the ocean, they had something structural like Great Barrier Great Barrier Reef and dolphins. In Australia, there is some like area that we call of the outback. So the outback is like some historical area that's lived by Aboriginal people for over 65,000 years ago. So this is like some historical area, and the structure itself, the name is Uluru. So this is like the stone that's already had in there in 65,000 ago. You can see here the video about the Uluru. This is Uluru, super massive big red stone that curved by the wind. No, this is like a stone. And it's curved like, yes, red. Yes, in the middle of desert. So in the past, Aboriginal people lives here. Aboriginal people. So it's like the people in 65,000 years ago. Yes. Yes, camel. I think all of the animal already had in Australia. Camel, parrots. Okay. And then Australia have the world's largest living structure. So this is like some biggest coral that stretching over 200 to 1,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast. So it's on the coral ocean. And this name of the structure is the Great Barrier Reef. And because of the structure, Australia have like some unique fish species. We can take a look in this video. Yes, this is the coral ocean. And this is the Great Barrier Reef. This coral already grow like 20,000 years ago, so it becomes big. And because it's big, we can see it from out the space. This is like in the beach, so the coastline. Yes. Okay. Okay. The next line is paradise of coastlines. Yeah, that I said before that Australia is isolated by the ocean, so it's already have many beach and also coastline, and you can see here over 10,000 beach stretch across Australia coastline, where golden sand meets crystal turquoise waters. So this is perfect for surfing and swimming and also scuba diving. Okay. The next is how people behave to you as an Australians. So Australians are known for their friendly and laid-back attitude and love of the outdoors activity. So from weekend barbecues to beach days and outdoor living is at the heart of Australian culture. So if you were interested in outdoor activity like this, yeah, you got potential to go Australia. And then this Australia building, one of the iconic architecture is Sydney Opera House that stands in the harbour, Melbourne Reefs, as the art, coffee, and culture capital. And this is the last. What makes Australia different? Home to oldest continuous culture of an on-earth Aboriginal people have thrived here for over 65,000 years. Australia has more sheep than people and 21 of the world's 25 most venomous snake. And then I think that's all from me. If there is any mistake, I want to say sorry. And also I hope this presentation and information will give you more interest to go and visit Australia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.